+7 School. A school is a place for learning. We learn many things in school. Shankar Basavaraddi sir is our school president. Shashikala madam is our school principal. Hello children, let us go to school, read and write and play. We will go to school every day. In this lesson, we will learn about school. Teacher teach us various subjects. They also teach us good habits. Different teachers teach us different subjects. Exercise, games and sports are an important part of every school. Games and exercise keeps us fresh. Most schools have a playground. Parents, teachers and students enjoying school function like annual day and sports. At school we celebrate festival. Together we wish and greet each other on such vacation. The peon does many jobs for school. He or she rings the school bell after each class. The gardener takes care of school garden. He looks after the plants and waters them regularly. He also removes the dirt from the garden. The school bus driver drives the school bus, brings us to the school and taking us back to our home. 7th chapter School. School, this is what? This is a new verse. What this one? This is what? New verse. So, this is new verse. The 7th chapter School. First one is learning. Children. This is a children. Exercise. Students. Activities. Games. Sports. Teacher. Playground. Annual day. Principal. Various subject. Library. Bringing. Borrow. Gardener. Doctor. Furniture. Damage. Again I am repeating this one new words. First one is learning. Children. Exercise. This is what? Exercise. Students. Activities. Games. Sports. Teacher. Playground. Annual day. Principal. Various subject. Library. Bringing. Borrow. Gardener. Doctor. Furniture. Damage. These are new words. This one you have to practice and write on in your Facebook. 7th chapter School. Warm up. The student of a class 2 are talking about their school. Help them writing the names of place in their school. So they are talking about their school. So here it is a filling the blanks, missing letters are there. So CL, okay, CL, RO dash M like this. So here it is a classroom. CLASSROOM, classroom. Playground. PLAYGROUND, playground. Library. LIBRARY, library. Staff room. STAFFROOM, staff room. Now what we are learning? Look ahead. Learning at school. Activity in school. People in school. What we are learning? We are learning at school, activities in school, and people who in school. Let us start the chapter of, that is the seventh chapter, the school. A school is a place for learning. We learn many things in school. Schools have buildings with many rooms. The children studying a same class are our classmate. Learning at school. At school, we learn to, to read, write, and speak properly. We learn about the wonderful world around us, people and cultures. We learn music, dance, and painting. We also pick up good habits and become helpful members of our society. Did you know? Schools for every small children are known as kindergartens. So here see, reading, teacher is telling the lessons, okay, music, tabla, dancing, painting. So learning at school. Now activities, what we are doing in the school activities, that is activities at school. Exercise, games and sports are an important part of every school. Okay, games and exercise keeps us fresh. Games and exercise keeps us fresh. Most schools have a playground. Parents, teachers and students enjoy school functions like the annual day and sports day. Exercise, games and sports are important part of every school. The exercise also, games and sports. Games and exercise, what happened, keeps us fit and fresh, not lazy. Most of the school what have, which were the big playground is there, so they are enjoying, they are playing in the playground. Okay, at school we celebrated festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purva and Christmas together with our classmates. We are celebrating the festivals. We wish and greet each other on such occasion. We are wishing to the friends and our classmates. Then little scientist. Schools have rooms called it science laboratories where students prefer experiments. School has a small, that is a laboratory is there. So there where the students are going to and they are doing their experiment in the laboratory. So people who help us at school, who is helping? The teacher is helping, no? The teacher. So teacher is helping. So who is he? He is a principal. The principal is a head of the school. The principal is head of the school. He or she looks after a whole school. He or she look after the whole school. Teachers teach us various subjects. They also teach us good habits. Different teachers teach us different subjects. A librarian manages the school library and keeps the recording of the books we borrow from the librarian. Librarian, what he is doing? He is doing keeping the books and records. Also the school driver, what he is doing? School driver School driver is what he is doing. School driver drives the school bus bringing us to school and taking us back to our home. Gardener is helping, no, the gardener take care of school garden. Doctor, the doctor nurse in the medical room takes care of us if we feel unwell or get hurt. The peon, what he is doing? The peon does many jobs for the school. He or she rings the school bell after each class. So he is a peon, he is gardener, no? So nurse, doctors also is there to help us when we are getting hurt. Librarian, record, she is keeping the books and records also. So peon is also helping, no? The school help you in many ways. You can also help your school if you know you follow these rules. Okay, the school helps you many ways. You can help also your school. How that one rules? Take care not Take care not to damage the school building. Take care and damage not to damage the school building or furniture. Keep our school clean. Always use dustbins. Keep our school clean and use the dustbins. Do not pluck flowers from the garden. Respect and obey your teachers. You have to respect and obey your teachers. Always reach school on time. Never quarrel or fight with other student. Any problem, however big it may seem, can be solved through the talking. Everyone likes to see quiet and well kept school. Wrap up what we have learned. School learning at school. Learning at school means reading, writing and speak, people and cultures, music, dance, painting, exercise, games and sports, good habits. People who help at school: principal, teacher, librarian, nurse, driver, gardener, peon. Rules at school: do not damage school building and furniture. Do not dirty the place. Do not pluck flowers. Respect and obey teachers. Reach school on time. Do not quarrel or fight with other student. Evaluate. Things you know. Things you know. First one, fill in the blanks. Gardener, nurse, librarian, school. First one, A dash is a place for learning. Which place? Gardener, nurse, librarian, no, school. A school is a place for learning. Second one, a dash nurse takes care of us if we are unwell or get hurt. So when we are getting hurt, who is helping? The nurse is helping, no? The nurse. Third one, dash. The dash takes care of school gardener. Gardener means gardener only. So gardener. The gardener takes care of our school garden. Fourth one, a librarian gives the dash gives us a book we need. Who is giving the books? The librarian. The librarian gives us the books we need. Librarian. B1, strike out the incorrect words. First one, we should always obey or disobey our teacher. we should always obey our teacher. Second one, the teachers teach us good or bad habits. Bad is a incorrect word. So teachers teach us good habits. Exercise help to keep us fresh. Lazy is a incorrect word. So you have to cross out. Exercise help to keep us fresh. C1, draw lines to match correctly. We have to draw a lines and match correctly. The school is a place of, that is a learning. Always reach the school on time. The driver drives school bus. Fourth one, we should wear neat uniform. D1, answer in a few words. Who are our classmates? Who are our classmates? Answer. The children studying in the same class are called a classmate. Who is studying in the same class? That is what? Classmates, our classmates. So children studying in us in same class are called a classmate. Second one, why are exercise important? Why are exercise important? Answer. Exercise are important because they keep us fresh. They keep us fresh. What does the principal do? Answer. The principal took look after the school, the whole school. The principal looks after the whole school. Even answer in a sentence. Answer in a sentence. First one. How can we help our school? How can we help our school? Answer. We can help our school by A. Taking care not to damage the school. Taking care not to damage the school. B1. Keeping school clean. Always use dustbin. Keeping school clean. Always use dustbin. C. Not plucking flowers from the garden. Not plucking flowers from the garden. D1. Respecting and obeying your teachers. Respecting and obeying your teacher. E1. Always reaching school on time. F1. Never fighting with other student. Second one, what do we learn in school? What we are learning in the school? Answer. At school we learn to read, write and speak properly. We learn music, dance and painting. We also picking up good habits and become helpful members of our society. So at school we learn to read, write and speak properly. We learn music, dance and painting. We also pick up good habits and become helpful members of our society. Third one, how should we treat our teachers? We should always respect and obey our teachers. Get busy. Circle the image that which shown the things that we should not do in your school. So first one is what? So playing with the tea. So this is not, we have to not do this one. See, learning, this is not eating, correct. Throwing throwing in the dustbin, not pluck, this is a wrong. So first and fourth things that we should not do at school. Things to do: making a chart, make a chart, do's and do not in school. Paste the picture to making it attractive. So which one is we have to do in the school, which one is not do? So you have to paste this one pictures here. This is a homework for you. Okay, bye.